if I have a phone call, I'll take the phone outside and I'll walk around, or I might stand on one foot, do some balancing, and also do some stretching, rotate my ankles. I had a parcel that I needed to give to someone, and I was thinking about showering and then driving over and delivering the parcel. But I said to myself, I need a bit of a break anyways, so I decided to put on my exercise clothing and run with this parcel over to my friend's place. The parcel was a little bit heavy, so it made the run a little bit more difficult, but it was just a little bit more challenging, and it made it that much more enjoyable when I actually got the package to my friend. And then on the way home, I felt a lot lighter because I wasn't carrying the parcel, and I just felt fantastic having delivered the package to my friend. He was delighted to get it, and I also felt good that I didn't just drive over there. Instead, I made some physical activity out of it. I was listening to an interview there the other day with former Navy SEAL David Goggins and Joe Rogan, and one thing that really struck a chord is when Goggins was talking about the importance of exercise for him. He said a lot of people think that he exercises for the physical benefits of it, for his body, but he said no, more so it's for the mental aspects of it. There's a big focus on meditation practices these days, breathing in order to calm and get mental clarity. And I'm a big believer in the importance of breathing. I've made a few videos on it, how important breathing is for health. But I often believe that if we want to relax our mind and achieve a heightened sense of mental clarity, we can do it through our physiology, through our body. If I exercise, my body, often it has the benefit of calming my mind. So if you find yourself stressed during the day, maybe consider doing some exercise. If there are stairs nearby, maybe walk up and down the stairs a few times, or even bound up and down the stairs. Go outside, take a walk. Incorporate exercise throughout your day. For example, these days, because I have an iPhone now and I can download books to the phone, I often read books using my phone, even just a couple pages a day. And what I do is, just gonna put my phone down here. Oftentimes, I will just take up my iPhone and get into a squat like this and read a couple pages. So not only am I getting the mental benefits of reading, but I'm also getting in some squatting. I'm flexing my hips, I'm relaxing my hips, stretching my legs, stretching my back. So this is something I often do. I'll get down into a squat and do some reading. If I'm using my computer during the day, I'll often put my laptop here on my feet and stretch my legs like this, or get into various stretches with my laptop on the ground. If I'm watching TV, sometimes I'll get down onto my chest like this and I'll raise my body off the ground like this. It's an absolutely fantastic stretch for your back. If you watch kids, and when you were a kid, I'm sure you often watch TV down like this with your head resting on your hands, and oftentimes you moved around. This will remind you of a yoga pose. People often do this kind of stuff. You can throw that stuff in while you're watching TV. Get down on the ground. If you're on the phone, rather than sitting down on the phone, why not get up? Like I often do. If I have a phone call, I'll take the phone outside and I'll walk around, or I might stand on one foot, do some balancing, and also do some stretching, rotate my ankles. If there's an elevator or stairs, oftentimes I will take the stairs instead of the elevator or escalator. Not all the time, but oftentimes. If you incorporate exercise into your daily life, that can have tremendous benefits on your health, your physical health and your mental health. All right, so this was just an impromptu video. I just got back from a run. I'm feeling absolutely fantastic. I'm going to just sit outside for a few minutes, look around, enjoy the sensation of exercise. All right, I hear an airplane overhead now, so I'm just gonna take a look out for that. I love looking at airplanes. All right, feeling good, gonna go shower, and then I gotta get outside and do some chores and work. All right, thanks for watching, everyone.